Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jela henne kasi habakren bagi nau thok khobor ulayat ho bakadon ke jingkentu bandon no da ka Territorial Army da kinong yalam jong ka NESO bat ka KSU ulo ang baha ke jingshisha ula da ban penpau ya kani nadu kipor ba udang long u presiden jong ka KSU ula ben rap da ka baong ba Mynta kilayo Pdiang Kumno ban ya Shakhmat bat ban sedang ya kani ka kam bandon da ka Territorial Army Ulayat horu balat na kejela Mizoram kumbala kedau da kinong ilam jong ka NESO kejela Assam kalaya Shakhmat ya kani ka kam ulo ong ru ba na kaliang ka jong u un sabot din ya kani bat namar kadon ka jingeting kho bat ka Sarkar Pdiang baro ki jing batay halor kani ka Territorial Army on sa ay shiki menteri Sarkar bat kin saya syong ha ka arpun reutrek mentau banai bat ondan ka jingkermen bakin la banya Shakhmat ya kani ka kam.
There was also an issue raised about the need for Meghalaya to have its territorial army. This was expressed by leaders of the NESO as well as the KSU. In fact, I had given this idea way back when I was the president of the KSU, and today we have received a note on the how do we go about and structure and initiate the process of having the territorial army. Apart from the state of Mizoram, which was mentioned by leaders of the NESO, one state which has already gone ahead and in fact has already established a full-fledged territorial army is the state of Assam. So we will proactively and positively pursue the matter, and since this also concerns the union government, all details relating to the territorial army will be shared with members of the cabinet. We are meeting on the 26th of this month, and we should be in a position to take this process and forward at this particular cabinet meet.